downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. This is known as the Daily Planet. Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today the road brings me to Raleigh, North Carolina, and we are here at Pullen Park. This is the oldest amusement park in North Carolina and the 5th oldest amusement park in the United States. Started on March 1887, and we're going to go around today and take a look and see what is here at Pullen Park. And we'll get started right after the station identification. They are kind of early this morning, not opened up yet. And there is a little cafe, and here's where you would buy your tickets at. Right over at the ticket window. And there is the Pullen Park train right up under the tunnel. Well, we are going to ride the train at Pullen Park. Pullen Park. Not only is this the oldest amusement park in North Carolina, the 5th oldest in the United States, but the 15th oldest in the world. You know what? That's really old. Pretty cool ride, all for $1.50. I enjoyed it, so I know your kids will. Love to listen to little jazz music. Richard Stanhope Pullen donated his farmland in 1987 for this park that bears his name. The original bathing pool was constructed entirely of wood. The Pullen Park bathing pool was built in 1892. A stream supplied water, which in turn filtered back into the ground through cracks in the wood. The city updated the pool in 1913. This allowed for the use of chlorine to purify the water. The pool was originally open only to males who bathed unclothed. Later in 1895, the pool opened for 2 days a week for females only who wore bathing suits such as these. And these. Ladies, we had to cover that skin. The original pool was replaced in 1935 with an Olympic-style pool on the inside and has since been torn down. That original pool would have been right in this area here. The landscape has changed. Mr. Pullen He envisioned this park, he gave his land, he built this park, but nowhere on this property you will see a statue of R.S. Pullen. In fact, he shunned even having his picture made. But what you will see is Andy and Opie, North Carolina residents. Well, Andy was, Opie was. This statue was also in Mount Airy. Simpler time, a sweeter place. Listen, a laugh, a father and son. Andy and Opie. How about that? To ride the carousel is $1.50. The boats are $1.50, train and pedal boats. Here's a photograph of what the Pullen Park Dental Carousel looked like 100 years ago. A Wurlitzer sail machine. All right, well that is going to do it for our trip to Pullen Park in Raleigh, North Carolina. 5th oldest amusement park in the United States. Oldest amusement park in North Carolina. I hope you've enjoyed our visit. If you did, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all, have a good day.